Hey, welcome back everybody. We are so excited today. Today we are taking a look at the Ronin-S. We're going to open this puppy up, just came in the mail, and take a look and go over some of its features. So we are so excited. Let's jump right into it. Roll that intro. Let's go, guys. All right, let's get this thing open and take a look and see what we have here. Jumping right in. This big, giant box here. All right. Packaged really nicely. Beautiful, huh? Oh man, so exciting. Oh. Beautiful. You have to love the way that DJI packages everything. It really reminds me of the way that Apple does and the way that they present their products to people in such a beautiful way. Really, really gorgeous job they do here. Comes in a real nice injected foam case. Listen to that. Beautiful. Nice handle. Look at that. Take a look and see what it comes with. Has that real nice lock for if you want to use it for traveling, rather make it for twisting. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that, guys. Man, can you see that? Are you getting a good shot of that? Oh, that is beautiful. Let's see what it comes with here. Comes with a whole manual, which you can also get online. Who really reads these anyways? They watch YouTube videos for someone to explain it to them. Comes with the little bottom tripod grip. Feels real nice. Look at that. So if you want to hold the Ronin, set it down stationary with a 1/4-20, so it'll fit on any tripod, the bottom of the Ronin will. Oh, look at that. This is the battery grip. I need to start working out so I can remove the packaging. Beautiful, nice fill, heavy. So it has up to a 12-hour battery life on this. And here it screws right into the bottom. Gives you that nice feel. Look at that. Has a new smell, not a car smell. Beautiful. And here you have the camera plate mount. So it mounts to the bottom of your camera. Interchangeable with some other tripods, which is nice. Has a perfect little slot for it, all built in, everything. Slide in, fits nicely. Look at that. Tap more things out. The cable for charging it. More little adapters for mounting the camera. And right here is where all takes place. Look at that, beautiful. So the grip just slides on the bottom here and then locks into place so it doesn't fall off. With the Ronin-S, it will hold up to 7.9 pounds. So that's a very heavy weight. You can put some heavy cameras on this. The Ronin-SC holds up to 2.4 pounds. So such a huge difference. The difference between the two in price is about $120. So for $120 more, you get this. Yes, it's a heavier unit, but really holds such a heavier camera. Well worth the $120 because you can get those bigger lenses. You think about some of those smaller cameras of only 2.5 pounds. That's not much when you really think about it. You get into some of the heavier cameras, put some longer lenses on it, you don't have to worry about the weight. At 7.9 pounds, that is a beast. So now we're gonna get out there and put this thing to use, take a look at some of the beautiful buttery B-roll footage that we can get, as well as just some beautiful, beautiful gimbal action. I can't wait to put it to use, go through some of its features here for all the different attachments, such as your focus wheel. So let's get out there, let's put it to use, see what we can do with it. And again, I hope this helped. I hope this was informative to you. Hope you liked it. And if you did, please hit that subscribe button. Be sure and hit that like button as well because you liked it. And if you didn't like it, go ahead and hit the like button anyways. Or hit the dislike button a couple times, that way it finally likes it. We'll see you around in the next one. Wait and see till we get some of that buttery footage and we put it out there. Thank you guys. See you later. Ooh, it's gonna be fun.